Artist today, Gerhard Richter, born 1932. Gerhard Richter is a German painter-artist. Richter has created abstract and photorealistic paintings. He also experimented with photography and sculpture glass installations. I blur to make everything equal, everything equally important and equally unimportant. He is considered one of the most influential contemporary German artists, and his works have set record prices at auctions. Abstract pictures are fictive models, because they make visible a reality that we can neither see nor describe, but whose existence we can postulate. With an estimated worth of €700 million, Richter was rated number 220 of the wealthiest 1,001 people in Germany by Manager Magazine's monthly business magazine in 2017. Painting is another form of thinking. Gerhard Richter is known for his various painting techniques and topics. I believe that the quintessential task of every painter in any time has been to concentrate on the essential. His intentional lack of dedication to a single stylistic approach has often been taken as an attack on the unspoken ideologies implanted in the specific histories of painting. To believe, one must have lost God. To paint, one must have lost art.